You're looking to make anywhere from 10 to 15K in literally the next 3 months, I am going to teach you guys the step-by-step method that helped me reach financial freedom. Here that I'm showing you guys is going to be my first bank account, my second bank account, and this right here is my crypto wallet, as well as my $50,000 watch and my $100,000 car that I paid cash for both. And I'm not trying to flex on you guys. Please, I am really not trying to flex on you. I just want to show you guys that it is literally possible to reach this level. And I'm not even at a high level compared to others that are on a crazy level. I want you guys to understand that this level is super, super possible. And I don't want you guys to think that you literally cannot do it. And in the time frame that I did it, I was able to make this in less than a year, literally in less than a year. And it's probably more right now because, I'm not counting all the money that's been made recently. But in less than a year, I was able to do this. There is literally no other space where you do not have to invest tens of thousands of dollars. You don't have to buy all this inventory. You don't have to create this huge fancy website and hire staff. There is no other space out there in the world where you can make this amount of money from literally your phone and a Wi-Fi connection. Tell me where in the comments if you guys think of anything else, and if you're right, then I will literally send you free soul, because I have not thought of anywhere else where you could, just come on here and just go right here, find a coin, boom, and 10x your money. Like, I really don't think there is anything else like that. And like I said, guys, I am not trying to flex on you. I just want you guys to know that this right here is very, very possible. And it takes a couple of things. You have to have the right mindset, first of all. Obviously, you have to have the mindset, because if you don't have the mindset, you are never going to reach these levels. You need to actually lock in. And a lot of people say, yeah, I'm locked in, but are you actually locked in, bro? Because when I was, trying to not be broke and trying to actually make money, I was locked in. Every single day, I was on my laptop, I was scanning the market, I was looking at everything, and I wanted to make sure that I was going to make money. And anyone else that isn't locked in is never going to make money. So make sure you guys get that first step of locked in. Second, you need to know people that are in this space as well, and that actually have, some sort of knowledge and something you don't know. So you could kind of piggyback off them and learn what someone that's successful is doing, and you kind of just copy what they're doing. That is why I am making these videos for you guys. So you guys could actually see what I'm doing, learn about it, and actually take action to start, making money and start doing what you want to do whenever you want to do. Because me, I'm able to do all that. So if you guys are able to listen, learn, and apply it, you will have success in any category, any field that you put your mind to. So if you combine those two things, I promise you guys that you will literally be able to, show me this in the next couple months. Like, I am not lying. You guys will be able to do that. So getting straight into it, this is where I have been able to reach this status. If you guys don't know what it is, this is Memefast. If you want straight, access to this site, just click the comments in my description, or the description. I'm going to link it, or just, go to my comments. I will pin it, and you will be able to trade or make your own Memecoins. And like I said, I have been able to make all my money in the Memecoin space very, very quickly. A lot of people are making a lot of money, and it's constantly, day by day, people just becoming millionaires off Memecoins. You guys don't believe it, but it is literally true. If you search up right now, I'm pretty sure it'll come out right here. Let's go ahead and search it up. How many millionaires became, no, how many people became millionaires from Trump coin? Okay, look at all these people. Look at all these people. Like, people 500 people, like it's insane, guys. 500 people became millionaires in under 24 hours in Donald Trump's meme coin. It is insane. There are people that was off of one coin, guys. And look at all these coins that are, every single day by the second being created. And I just want to tell you guys that if you use the right platforms, use the right people to learn from, and have the right mindset, you will make a substantial amount of money. So that is why I'm going to teach you guys the way that I do it and the way that I go day by day. So there are two ways to make money with meme coins. Obviously, the first way is by investing in coins or trading the coins. And I'm going to just go ahead and write that for you guys first. So it's trading, investing in meme. Do you guys know what the second way is? Well, the second way obviously is going to be creating, rugging meme coins. So those are the two ways to actually make money when it comes to the meme coin space. Yes, there are other ways, but obviously I'm talking about straight in the meme coins, like straight into actually buying and selling and creating and rugging. Those are the only two ways that people are making money in this space. And like I say, there are people making money, but there is always people losing money every single day. There's probably more people losing money. And I don't want to scare you guys, because if you don't do it right, you will lose money. You might get lucky one time or two times, but all that money that you made the first two times you got lucky will literally be less than the money that you will, or it will be more than the money that you lose. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you guys get my point, right? Just because you win a little bit, you are going to lose a lot more than you win. That's just the name of the game. But if you do it right, you could have it the other way around, where you win more than you lose. And that's where we all want to be. That is where I am at. And that's why platforms like MemeFast have helped me reach that, because if I am not doing that, if I'm not using this website or platform, I will literally lose money. If I go to, Pump.Fun, Photon or whatever, if I'm not using the AI features that help capture these trending coins that are, not obvious rugs, I will lose money, because that's what I used to do. All I used to do, let me just show you guys what I would do. I would go right here and I would literally just go right here. I'll go to Memescope. And I would be right here just waiting, camping out for a coin to graduate. As soon as it graduated, I would already have Sol in my wallet. Boom, I would buy, and I would literally get rugged every single time. That's just what I was doing, and it never worked. I did make a little bit of money, but it was just never anything to be, where I am right here. So until I found this platform right here, MemeFast, I was able to, start bringing in a good amount of money, substantial amount of money. So that's why I want to share with you guys the good news and how exactly to do it. I do have other videos in my channel that show you guys step by step on how to actually create a coin. But in this video, we're just going to go ahead and, invest in a coin and, just use this feature for all you beginners. And it'll just, be pretty simple, because all you literally have to do is obviously have Sol in your wallet, have it connected, your Phantom wallet. And we're just going to go ahead and look right here. And like I said, this platform does have other options to create a coin and stuff like that. But in this one, we are just going to invest in meme coins. And when you guys go on here, it might look a little bit taunting, because you might see all these coins and you just don't know where to invest. And I want you guys to kind of listen right here, because you want to, obviously, MemeFast is scanning for the coins that aren't rugs, but at the same time, you kind of just don't want to buy any coin, right? But look, so obviously you want to refresh it, make sure everything's fresh. We're going to go ahead and look right here. I do see that this is King of the Hill. So what that means is it's the very top of Pump.Fun, because it's, looking on Pump.Fun for us. And we're going to go ahead and see if there's anything that is real life as an event. If there isn't anything like that, we kind of just want to see if there's, anything on, let's go ahead and look over here and let's see if we can find anything that is kind of on the same over here. So we're going to see Muslim. Let's see if there's any. Okay, so this coin right here is on here, and it is obviously the Pump Fund. We're gonna go ahead and look at it right here, see how it's looking, transactions. And you could see all this over here, but I just wanted to see if there was a difference right here. But you could see everything. So it's going to be the same coin right here. Well, it should be the same coin. Yeah, it is. So everything right here is looking pretty good. We got a lot of people active in here. It's talking about a telly. You are able to see the comments and everything on Memefast. And yeah, I mean, this coin, if I would have gotten in early, I would have definitely held. But I just think it's too late for me to get in on this coin. Actually, at this time, I just don't see me holding it and, it going green for more and more before, it actually gets rugged, because, you all know that a lot of these coins are eventually going to get rugged no matter how good the project is. But yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of traffic right here. There's a lot of buy and sell. Like I said, I would have gotten in early if I would have seen this earlier, but it's not for me right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and go back, see if we could see anything else. So let's see right here. This one 13 minutes ago. All gingers are black. That is true. But I think this guy has been like, if he's the actual like dev of this, I highly doubt it, but he will probably rug everyone. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't like this. I really don't like this. Okay. Now I'm looking, like, this is live. I'm showing you guys what I do every single day. So I know you guys could 2x this, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing right here live. So let's see. This is usually like around the night is when all the good tokens start coming out. Yeah, this is no, there's traffic, but it's just not a lot. I'm not going to invest in that coin. I did see this one right here earlier. Let's see how this looks. Oh, like I'm telling you guys, if you guys are on here for a good enough time, you will be able to like get in early on these and just ride the wave and cash out. But it's just, I'm too late for this. Like I'm too late. I haven't seen this one. Oh shoot, wrong one. I want to speak to the dev. Okay, like this right here, we are very early on this. For literally no reason. I have no idea why my video recorder stopped recording, but I'm just going to go ahead and buy on this coin right here. And I'm just going to show you guys exactly how it works. This is stupid. How did I? Yeah, make sure you guys have your wallet connected before you actually, do this, because then it just messes up everything. But yeah, there we go. I just got in right here, and we're going to go see how this goes. Should pump up pretty soon. We'll get a big green candle right now. That right there, guys, is what you have witnessed that has been able to take me to this level in the game. I have been combining this with rugging meme coins as well. If you guys want to learn how to do that, just watch my previous videos, and the process is a little bit more in depth, as like, doing your market research and reaching out to people if you want to go that route when it comes to pumping a coin. You could do it the organic way. That's a little bit different as well, but there's a variety of ways to do it, and all ways will bring you success. So if you guys have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be answering all DMs.